Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have Henry Moodie here, so let's get into mood with a song called Fight or Flight. So this is a song about 7 chords. We will start with capo on the 4th fret, which makes life much easier. So let's go with Henry Moody's Fight or Flight, starting with the chord, and that is the first one, C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We will have the GB chord, which is basically a G chord, but we will start with the B there in the bass. So that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. We have A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the F here as a bar chord. You place the bar over all strings on the 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have the G chord, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We also have the F minor, so remember this was the F here. What you do from the F, you just take away the 2nd on G string to get that bar on the 1st G string. Everything else is the same, so that's the F minor. And that will be the last chord of this song here which you have to know. And yeah, sometimes especially here in the start, we just play 1 down per chord or so. I will give the main strumming pattern for the song, and it's about 4 down. So if we go to the first chord, which is the C, grab that first, and 1 strumming around will be 4 downs, like I said, and you're gonna emphasize the 3rd down here. So you're gonna play on the bass strings on the 1st, 2nd, and 4th down, but on this 3rd down, you're gonna play more on the top strings there. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. That is the strumming pattern here. So it's 1 round. So with that said, we are ready for this actual song here, starting with the first verse. We have C2, then the G B2, then A minor 2, and F2. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So that's your verse there. Moving on to the pre-chorus, we have the D minor 2, G2, then C1, GB1, A minor 2, then F2, and F minor 2. And that's the pre-chorus, only for this 1 round. And when we have played the pre-chorus, we are at the chorus, and it goes with 2 halves, so to speak. The first half of it will play just with downs only, so we'll skip the strumming pattern. The strumming will come back later in the second half of this chorus. The first half will be this: C, G, B, A minor, pause, and D minor, C, G, pause. That's how you're gonna play 1 round of this first half, so to speak. You're gonna play that part for 2 times. So it will be again C, G, B, A minor, pause, D minor, C, G, pause. So you play that for 2 rounds. That's the first half of this chorus. Then the second half will be with the strumming. You're gonna play C1, then GB1, then A minor 1, G1, F2, and F minor 2. And that's the ending of the second half and a chorus play. So that is how you handle the chorus. Just to summarize that chorus part, you had C, G, B, A minor, D minor, C, and G, with just the one down per chord. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds, and then you have the strumming here: C1, GB1, A minor 1, G1, F2, and F minor 2. And that's it. And we go for the second round here. The second verse is played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. No changes there at all. We have then the second chorus played in the same way as the first one. And after the second chorus comes a bridge part. It's about 2 minutes and 21 seconds into the song. Okay, so you're gonna play that with the strumming, and you're gonna play D minor 2, then G2, then A minor 1, G1, F2. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So D minor, G, A minor, G, F2. And after that, you have the final chorus there. It's played in the same way as the previous choruses, no changes there. And that wraps it up for Henry Moodie's Fight or Flight. Yes, so thank you for watching here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was helpful, please let me know and show me some love. Give me a like back there, and I hope to see you soon. Play tuned.